Many people ask me, I am a first-time buyer of aluminum composite panels. How do I choose my aluminum thickness? So today, I'm going to talk about how to make a choice about the aluminum thickness when you want to buy aluminum composite panels. First of all, you must know that the thickness of the aluminum composite panels you buy is determined by the height of your building. So next, I'll tell you the basis of how to choose. If your aluminum composite panels are to be used in a building with 1 to 2 stories, aluminum thickness 0.2 mm is enough. If your aluminum composite panels are to be used in a building with 4 to 7 stories, you need to buy aluminum thickness at least 0.3 mm. But if your aluminum composite panels are to be used in a building with 8 to 15 stories, please be sure to purchase aluminum thickness of minimum 0.4 mm. If your building floor is higher than 15 stories, please choose 0.5 mm aluminum thick aluminum composite panels. The reason why aluminum thickness is relevant to the height of the building is that if the aluminum is not thick enough, the higher you install them, the more likely the aluminum will peel off from the panels. So, in order to avoid safety accidents, you must follow my advice on the thickness of aluminum you need to buy for your aluminum composite panels.